Hey Aiden, it's a waterfall party and all of our friends came. Let's see who's there. Oh, hi Lilo. Hi Stitch. I almost understood that.
I'm fine. I'm just so excited. I said, me and Lilo is watching the waterfall.
Yeah. Well, that's very exciting, guys. I was showing it to Aiden because I know he loves waterfalling.
Yeah, so do we.
Well, bye-bye, guys. Have fun.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. There's Woody and Buzz.
Hello, Aiden. Hello, Colin. Hello, Phoenix.
Yeah, howdy, guys. Mr. Peanut.
Hello, sir.
Sully. Uh-oh, the Queen of Hearts.
Off with their heads.
She's just angry. Mickey, Minnie. Hello.
Bye.
Hello. And then there's Kermit. I am under the waterfall, and that is where I'm happiest because I am a frog. Frogs are amphibians. It means we like water. Yay! And then across the waterfall we have Alice. How do you do? Oh, hi Morty. Hi. Oh, and Miss Princess Elsa and Scrooge McDuck.
There might be gold under this.
You sound a lot like Sean Connery, Mr. Scrooge.
That I do.
Uh-oh, the sea witch. But she's here because she loves the water. And, oh, from the future to enjoy the waterfall are two T-800s.
Yes, we have come to enjoy the falling of the water in the spring because it's fine and it's fun.
That one doesn't talk. But there it is. Back up from the mighty waterfall. It's almost 200 inches high. Actually, not even. 200 centimeters high. It is the 9 millionth wonder of the world. I love you, Aiden. I hope you enjoyed the waterfall. Mwah. Bye-bye.